Good afternoon, children, everybody. Today, I would like to discuss to, st- to state whether the rational number will have terminating decimal or non terminating repeating decimal without actual division. We can say whether the rational number will have which type of decimal by performing actual division, in fact. But without actual division also, we can say that whether the rational number will have terminating decimal or not. Okay, we will see that activity with the following example problem. You can look over the board. So let me take the example. I'm taking the example of 95 by 12. So 95 by 12 is the rational number what I have taken. From this, first of all, if I want to state whether it is having a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal, I have to do prime factorization of both numerator and denominator. First, let me find the prime factorization of numerator. 5 19s are 95. So here both 5 and 19 are the prime factors. So I can write 95 as 5 into 19. Next, let me go to the prime factorization of 12, which is carried out by 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 or 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1. So I'm going to the next page. The given problem is 95 by 12. The prime factorization of 95 is 5 into 19 divided by the prime factorization of 12 is 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1. Now, is there any common factors in both numerator and denominator? No. If you find any common factors, you can cancel them. So as we could not find any common factors, we need not to perform cancellation here. Now let me concentrate about the denominator. The denominator is 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1. So I can say that the denominator 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1, is it in the form of 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n? No. That's why I wrote not equals to. So 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1 is not equal to 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. Then as I told you that in any rational number, if the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, then definitely it will have terminating decimal. If it is not in the form of, if it is means, if the denominator is not in the form of 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, then it will have non-terminating repeating decimal. So I can conclude that 95 by 12 will have non-terminating repeating decimal. Did I perform the division here? No. So without performing the division, I have concluded it as a non-terminating repeating decimal. So if you have any doubts in this, I will clarify by performing the actual division. So let me do verification. By performing actual division, I want to divide 95 with 12. So what happens children? 12 sevens are 94. 95 minus 94 gives 1. There are no digits to take down, so I'll take a decimal point. 1 becomes 10. Okay children, even if I take the point also, it is not divisible. 10 is less than 12. So if I take 1 0 in quotient, I'll get one more 0 down. So now what I will get? 12 8s are 96. What remains now? One second. 12 7s are 84. 12 8s are 96 is more than 95. So 12 7s are 84. 95 minus 84 gives 11. If I take a point, it becomes 110. Then 12 9s are 108. 110 minus 108 gives 2. 2 becomes 20 because already I take a point in the quotient. Next 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 is more than 20. So I'll settle with 1. 12 1s are 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 becomes 80. Then 12 6s are 72. 12 7s are 84. 84 is more than 80. So I'll settle with 6. 12 6s are 72. 80 minus 72 is 8. 8 becomes 80. 12 6s are 72. Again 8 remains. So what happens? The digit 6 will repeat continuously. It says that 95 by 12 value is 7.916666 and so on. So that means I can write down that 95 by 12 as 7.91. As the digit 6 is repeating, I can keep bar for 6. So what kind of decimal it is, children? This is non-terminating. This is non-terminating repeating decimal. So I hope you understood whatever the conclusion I gave you. Without actual division, I have given the conclusion that it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Even by actual division also, I found the same result here. I hope you understand this, children. Please write down.